Ever had a photo that's super important, but it's blurry and low resolution? Don't delete it yet. In the next few seconds, I'll show you how to turn it into a clean 4K image without ruining the face details. All right, let's do this. First, open InVideo AI and log in. I already put the link in the description, so just tap it. Once you're inside, go to Agents and Models. Then tap See All under Generative Models. Next, open Image Generation and choose the model called Nano Banana Pro. Now, create a new project and upload your blurry or low-resolution photo. After that, paste the prompt. I've already prepared it for you. The link is also in the description, so just copy and paste. Then go to Settings. For aspect ratio, I usually pick Keep Original, but if you want a different ratio, feel free to try it. Still in Settings, you'll see the Resolution option. Here's the important part. Select 4K. Now, just click Generate and wait a few seconds. And boom, look at that! Your blurry photo is now clean, sharp, not pixelated, and still looks natural without changing the face details. All that's left to do, just download it to your gallery. So yeah, before you give up on your old photos, try this. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the links. Your blurry photos might be hiding a 4K glow-up.